everyone, as many of you know, I've been making custom-made mud flaps for the F30 and the F80 platform for the last year and a half or so. And when I say custom-made, I really mean custom-made, custom-cut, custom-drilled by me. I provide all the necessary hardware, and a lot of you appreciate it because it helps to keep the side of your car, your precious investment, extremely clean. And today I am happy to announce that I also came up with a design for the G20 platform, which is the car that is sitting behind me. So that's your 2019, 2020 BMW 330, 340, and in the future the M3 and the M4. You can opt just for the front or for the front and the back. And starting next year, I will have logo-less designs. Maybe I'll put TLG on them somewhere. So thanks for watching. Enjoy this montage. If you'd like to order them, I'll link them down in the description. So hit me up and let's keep your cars squeaky clean. Bye.